Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam Workshop Downloader free space left. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser. From here, search and go to Steam Workshop Downloader. And as you can see, we're already in the page. Here, you'll notice that the download option for this app is not available. This used to be the best service for this job, but now they're not offering the service anymore. So I will be showing you the next best alternative to complete this task. So what you need to do is open another tab and go to GitHub. From here, you need to go to this page. And as you can see, it says Steam Workshop Downloader. It's the same name as before and is uploaded by ShadowAxe HD. So from here, you will need to download this file. Below, you will get to see a link to download this application. So all you need to do is click on the link and download this app. So just download it and then scroll down. After that, you need to follow the instructions given here on this page. You need to download and then run downloader.exe. And if you scroll down, you will get to see further instructions. So all you need to do is copy the exact steps. Another alternative is this website of GG Network. So you need to go to ggntw.com. Here you'll get to see a list of supported games. And in order to get what you want, you need to click on Workshop from the top tab. And as you can see, it says Steam Workshop Downloader. So all you need to do here is insert the link of the modification you want to download from Steam Workshop Downloader. After that, the website will directly get it for you to download. So that is how you fix Steam Workshop Downloader.